Hello everyone, how to write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here you see that this algebraic expression is written into the exponential form. So now first we write this expression into the radical form. Here we write this into the algebraic form, into the radical form in this way: 1 over 7 and its 7th root. Here we know that if you have a to the power of 1 over n, we write this into the radical form in this way: nth root of a. Okay, so according to this radical law, we write this exponential equation into the radical form. And after that, here we use another exponential law. If we have 1 over a and its nth root, so we write it as nth root of 1 divided by nth root of a. So according to this, here we separate the 7th root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 7th root of 1 divided by 7th root of 7. Okay, so further we know that nth root of 1 is equals to 1. So it means that any root of 7 is also equals to 1. Any root of 1 is also equals to 1. It means that this is the 7th root of 1. It is equals to 1, and we divide this as 7th root of 7. Okay, so further we apply here another radical law. So you know that if we have 1 over nth root of a, so we write it as, we multiply this expression by, you see here this is nth root, then we subtract n minus 1, and we multiply and divide this term by n minus 1 and the nth root of this term, and similarly the nth root of this term. So this is possible if you can multiply this term and divide by this term. Okay, so you just focus your root. This is the nth root, then we subtract a to the power of n minus 1. Here you have 7th root, then we multiply by 7 to the power of 7 minus 1. Okay, so we write this expression as in this form: 1 over 7th root of 7, and here we multiply and divide by this term, so we write it as 7 to the power of 7 minus 1, and it's the 7th root, and it is divided by 7 to the power of 7 minus 1, and it's the 7th root. Okay, so now in the next step, here we need to simplify the terms, and we multiply 1 by this term, and here you have 7 to the power of 7 minus 1. We write it as 7 to the power of 6, and it's the 7th root, and it is divided by here you have 7th root of 7 multiplied by, this is 7 to the power of 6, and it's 7th root. Okay, so now in the next step here, you see that the exponent, the base on both of these terms are same, so we write this expression as. So after this step, you see here we apply another exponential law. You know that if we have nth root of a, and it is multiplied by nth root of b, then we just combine the nth root of both of these terms, and we write it as nth root of ab. Okay, so that according to this law, here we focus in the denominator, and in the denominator we first combine the 7th root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root divided by 7th root of 7 to the power of 1, and it is multiplied by 7 to the power of 6. Okay, so further you see here we have 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root, and it is divided by, here you see that bases, both of these bases are same, so we add its exponents, then you obtain here 7 to the power of 7 and its 7th root. Okay, so after that here we apply another radical law. So you know that if we have nth root of a to the power of n, then this n and n are cancelled by each other, and you get only a. Okay, so according to this radical law, Here you see that the 7 and the 7 are cancelled by each other, and we get the remaining terms are in this form: 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root, and it is divided by 7 only. Okay, so here we need more simplification, and now we focus on this 7 to the power of 6, and we write the 7 to the power of 6 means that we multiply the 7 by 6 times. We write it as 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, so you see here we have if you multiply 7 times of 7, it is 49, and 49 times of 7 becomes here 343. Similarly, this will be also becomes 343. So if you multiply these two terms by traditional way, then you easily multiply these two numbers, and you get its output is 117 and 649. Okay, we easily multiply these two numbers, and you get its final answer is 11764 and 9. Here we substitute this value of 7 to the power of 6 in here, and this expression will be written as in this form: 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root divided by 7 is equals to, we put 7 to the power of 6 equals this one, and you write it as 117,649 and its 7th root, and it is divided by 7. Okay, so we just rewrite this expression as, or in other words, we write this radical sign in back to the exponential form. So we again write this 7th root in this form: 7 to the power of 6 and its whole power 1 over 7, and it is divided by 7. Or here we write the 7 to the power of 6 in this way. Now, or in other words, you write it as 117,649 and its whole power 1 over 7, and it is divided by 7. And now you see here these two exponents are multiplied by each other, and then we will obtain here 7 to the power of 6 over 7, and it is divided by 7. Or in other words, your simplified form is 117,649 and its whole exponent is 1 over 7, and it is divided by 7. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.